Hi,
Hi,
I'm Kodoi.
I'm Mike.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, have also got a friend.
Yeah, here I am, and we are in the same situation.
Kodoi,
Yes,
now tell me, how did you get up seated in that wheelchair?
my story is too long, but I will tell you another day when I'll get time. But today, tell me yours. How did you end up by sitting on that wheelchair?
Man, this world is not as easy as we think. As I told you, my name is Mike. I was born normally like any other kid.
Kyenyiza okugamba kyokka beera mugumu beera mukakkamu. Yeah.
Dad,
By the way, nja kuddira. Yes, babe.
I think I'm ready to go.
You are ready? Okay. So, let's go.
Michael, get your bag.
Okay, mommy.
If you don't.
I'm coming back.
Okay.
I'm coming back, sweetheart. Kantwala akalenzi kano kasome. Oh, honey.
Yes?
I'm coming back, eh? Yeah.
Bye, mommy.
Bye. I love you.
Love you too.
Okay. Look at your hair.
Hey, mommy, come on.
Even in America, chetagako.
Yeah, and it's a very
Katiraba bichi bino
nice looking style.
Coming.
Scofield? Kulika you wanangu mu America.
You guys, how did you get to know that I'm back?
Bangambye. Nganza nzokulaba.
Nze asinze okusanyuka.
Kulaba wena wenokuza. Yee! Look at your hair.
This is this fucking style in America. But you know what? Right now I'm no longer called Mike. Now I'm called Scofield.
Scofield?
Yeah.
Like Michael Scofield? Well, so what have you been tonight?
50.
Mike, long time.
Oh, long time too.
Only back from America.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm so fine. So
That's
fine.
great.
I'm happy to see you.
Me too.
Scofield.
Yeah?
Where have you got this one?
Ndoza kamba wemu obudo ngiro nyane mikwano ekyo.
Okay, man. Okay,
Mama. Tugenda kunyumiza wano tumutwala kirindemu.
Ate lwaki?
Tumutwala tugende tukyakalemuko. Atunyumiza kulwadde mu America.
Ate mumutwala.
Tugenda just kunyumiwamu.
Anyway, it is okay.
Excuse me. How are you guys?
Yeah, fine.
I'm putting the call out. What's going on?
Try to move our out so that at least I'll come there. The other one I try to miss.
Agenda out.
Daddy, I think they are right. Let me go and have fun with my friends.
Listen to me. I think you'll get tired.
Daddy, come on.
Huh?
Please, Daddy.
Abaana baleke bagende banyumire kati wanakolawo ki?
But be careful, eh?
Okay, Dad.
Be careful.
Thank you.
Take care.
No, you know what? I think let me go and change up because I'm not comfortable here.
I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Life is a movie and through the music.
Have just come back, but are you also still schooling? Oh, I see. You look beautiful as you used to be. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have. Not yet.
I never had a plan B, so listen to my story.
Do I still have a chance?
Yeah, I still have a chance.
Sure. Oh my God.
Sweet temptation.
Scofield,
Yes, Jack.
welcome back, man.
Thank you.
See how good you look. Welcome back, man.
Thank you.
Studies.
Finally. Najimaliriza.
Cheers to your return.
Yes, let's cheers. And I just say glory be back to God because it's Sibian.
Want to bless the speakers with the music. I tell you now, I'm too yet to get. And a sweet temptation, kevoge. Chalinga chiro toka timba zoganya banji vampita the shooting star. They never knew my story. That I never had a plan B, so listen to my story. Sweet temptation.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. How's your life here?
You know, I had come just to chill, but I'm lonely, as you see.
Do you mind if I make your evening better?
Mike, who was seated here?
Mom.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine. But Mom, you should stop calling me that.
Kati oyagala nkuyitaani nga Mike ly'erinnya lyetwako.
The moment I arrived in America, I changed my name. Now I'm called Schofield.
Schofield bye biki?
Schofield is my new name.
Olowooza wagenda America wagenda kusoma naku kwegamba kukyusa bya buwangwa. Eno Uganda.
Oh, Mommy, you should stop that. You know, I'm feeling a lot of headache. Yesterday, I had a lot of fun with my friends.
Ekyo kyennyini kye mbadde nziza okwogera naawe. Taata we asiba wano ng'ayomba ng'anvuma buli kaseera. Ejjo wakomyewo ng'otamidde wena waze otagala.
Yeah, yesterday, I had a lot of fun with my friends. That's why I came like that.
Bwe tolowooza ku future oli awo kutambula n'abano mikwano gye ekitalina future. Lowooza ku future yo. Okimanyi kinene ennyumba twagisingayo nga twagala gw'osoma.
What?
Wandibadde otandika okunoonya emirimu. Tukulinamu essuubi ddene nnyo gwe gwe tutunuulidde gwe future yaffe ffenna. Ate gwe omwana weka gwe tulina. Kati wotandika akola bino ebintuufu. Njagala otandika okunoonya emirimu. Jjukira wasomerera bwa looya. Wandibadde ogenda mu offices n'otandika okunoonya emirimu.
Mommy, you're right.
Kirowoozeeko. Oh, Mike.
Yes, Mama.
Where to?
I think we talked about it.
About what?
Mommy, I'm going to look for a job.
Oh! Ata ompadde akasekunda nze nti kati otegeera. Twetagayo ku lugoye nungi.
Nalabye nga kyetaagisa.
Era kyo kyetaagisa. Kunsanyusizza nnyo. I wish you were good luck, eh? I love you so much. Take care, eh?
Okay, Mommy.
That's good.
Life is a movie, and through the music Chalinga chiroto katimba zoganya banji wampita the shooting star. They never knew my story, that I never had a plan B, so listen to my story. Sweet temptation, sweet temptation, sweet temptation, sweet temptation, yeah. Sweet temptation, yeah. Sweet temptation. There is more that we can do with the microphone. Vibes on vibes and we never stop, 'cause we unruly. Want to bless the speakers with the music.
Hello. Hi, Dad.
How are you?
I'm good.
What do you want?
I want Scofield.
Scofield?
Yeah.
Who is Scofield here? Omwagaza.
Yeah,
omwagaza gwogenda muyamba kibobolaba muli wano misomo gyabalema muli ku baana baffe mubona tumusene zitubatadde mu kufuka kibali mutuse ebitageza tambula siddanga mukulaba wano ewange siddanga kula muludi wokubiri wano muzee wange ojooba omupalepale
Hani, mukwano gwa mutabani waffe.
Mukwano gwa agenda muyamba kyoyo mazima. Agenda muyamba kinga bomulaba. Emisomo gya mulema ali kushala kuba bukubi misota. Wait. Never came back here, okay? Please. Stupid.
Yes, Jack. Mva wakakunoonya naye muzeyi wantabukidde okukamala.
What was he telling you? Didn't he know that you are my friend?
Bannange maama wamugambye byonna naye tanzikiririzaamu angobye bugobi.
Oh, man, you know, I'm from applying for a certain job. But things have not moved on well.
Scofield, you know my current situation of Uganda. Emirimu temuli gyabula. Nze noonyeza emirimu kumpi myaka egyo. Emyaka 2. Emirimu sirabako wadde.
But, bro, you know it very well that my dad has invested a lot of money in me.
I know.
So, it's unfair for me to stay there without a job. So I have to make sure that I get a job and I start working such that...
I know, but you want to fresh your mind.
But I think let me first go and I change the clothings.
Tugende nayo ojagireka ewange. Tugende ojagireka ewange. Gireka ewange.
Okay, let's go.
Life is a movie, and through the music. Charling a chiroto, katimba zoganya banji, vampita the shooting star. They never knew my story.
Scorpion,
Yes, Jack.
have you liked the press? Yes, I want you to have fun.
It's the reason why we are here.
Sweet temptation.
Cynthia and Shira, where were you yesterday? I looked for you guys for the whole of yesterday.
Our phones were off.
I sent you messages on WhatsApp.
I wasn't online and our phone was off.
Seems like you are enjoying.
Yes, we are at the beach.
You guys, you really enjoying.
We're the only one missing. Yes, we enjoyed the great deal.
Yeah, I knew. Scofield, what is wrong?
Don't worry, guys. I'll be fine.
What's wrong?
Sweet temptation.
I can understand the situation you feel right now, but try to relax.
Honey,
Yes,
this is not the situation I'm supposed to be in.
I understand.
And you know how my dad has invested a lot of money in me, but I've even failed to get a job.
I understand.
The way my dad has struggled, to the extent that he even borrowed me money from the bank. Yes, Jack.
Let's go to another place.
Let's go to the beach. Yeah. How do you see? So that you forget some stress.
I want you to be happy.
Sweet temptation. Sweet temptation. Sweet temptation. Sweet temptation. Yeah. Sweet temptation.
That evening, it's when the situation worsened. As we were shifting from the bar to the beach, we got a bad accident.
Thank you, God. Thank you. How I feel.
Mom,
Yes. Okay.
what really happened? How did I get to be here?
You got an accident.
What?
But you survived. And both of your friends died in the accident. But you and your friends survived.
Mommy. The one who survived, is she now fine?
I have to call the doctors.
Mommy! Where are my legs? What happened to my legs, Mommy? Where are my legs, Mommy?
Mike, please calm down.
Mommy, please, no. Mommy, please. What happened to me?
Hello?
Good morning, baby.
No. Bad news?
Munanga abasajja ekipapula bakireese.
What?
Bangi bagyagala kati bagenda tuveemu olwaleero.
My legs. My legs, Mommy.
Oh my God.
Yes. Kati olwaleero enjuba gyagala ekipapula bakimpadde nkirina. Kati mwe muli mu mbeera ki?
Has recovered.
My legs.
Honey, I'm sorry. I didn't tell you. But our son lost both of his legs. Honey. Hello? 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 Honey?
How am I going to survive without my legs?
I'm here. As long as you have me and your dad.
Mommy, my future is gone.
Please, Mike, stop that.
you, Lord. At least you have answered my prayers. The husband is dead. Their house has been taken. Now you're here.
But mommy, according to where we've been staying, are we really going to start living here?
Apart from your uncle's place, we have nowhere to stay.
But you see the way he welcomed us?
That is him.
But mommy, are we really going to manage with the situation here?
God will be there.
Tomorrow evening.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you. But thank you so much.
But madam, yes, before we go, what's your name?
My name is
I'm Tracy, and that is my son Mike.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
I'm Sally. She's Sama, my young sister.
Oh, I can see.
I'm Sherry.
Nice to meet you.
Really, thank you. Okay, I'll be waiting for you, eh? is your uncle?
He's not yet back. But it's already afternoon, and I'm so hungry.
I know, and me also, I'm hungry.
Mommy. But why? Why all this is happening to us? Look at me now. You had all your hope in me. And Dad invested a lot of money in me. But look at the way I ended up. I'm in total despair.
My son, please don't start. Let me go and look for your uncle. Anyway, you are here. Seriously, we are hungry.
You are hungry?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Since you are hungry, you have some food.
What is that?
You said you are hungry, then you are asking me nonsense. Madam, I'm working. Don't waste my time. You have thrown my food. This is not Kampala, my dear. Here we work. Here we do what? And if I tell you working, I mean this. If we want to stay here, I have my rules. We eat once, so get this whole. Have I said get this hoe. You see this root? You go down there. You will see sweet potatoes. Collect it and bring it immediately.
But I don't know how to.
I'm speaking, you are speaking. How can you speak when a man is talking? Idiot. My dear, I'm a man. Hurry up.
This is Kampala. This is not Kampala.
Hi Fifi, I've been trying your phone for the last 3 days, but you are not picking up. I don't know why. Please, when you get time, try to call me.
You want to run?
No, uncle. How can I run when I don't have legs?
Where is your mother?
She has gone to take a shower.
Where is my food? She finished cooking?
Yeah, she finished and she has told me let her first take a shower, then she's going to come and serve us.
You can't give me food right now. Always sitting there. You don't want to work. Stupid.
That's how I lost both my legs.
But look at me now. I'm in total despair.
Tracy, where did you come from? You were living in Kampala. But we came to decide because I lost my husband.
What? Oh, sorry. Don't cry. Hi, Mikey. What is it? Are you crazy?
The reason why I have called you here is because I want us to talk about what happened
That is it.
Kodoi, after all what happened to me and my mother, we came to Uncle Gordon for help because we had nowhere else to go. Can you believe that Uncle Gordon is putting us on pressure? Uncle Gordon is forcing my mother to become his wife. He either wants us to leave.
Hold. The other time you asked me how I came to sit in this wheelchair. My story is too long, but in so many times I reached an extent of giving up and dying. Because I didn't have any hope. And there are so many people like us. People might lose hands, legs, or any parts of their body. And then they think that that is the end of the world. But you know what? If you put all your trust in God, everything gets fine. Now here I am. I eat, I sleep, I do everything that any other people do. But the only thing is to walk. But I'm alive. So my brother, don't give up.
Kodoi.
Yes, please.
Thank you for being there for me.
You are welcome.
Mommy, I know what you're thinking about.
What do you mean?
It's Uncle Gordon. I know he's forcing you to marry him.
I don't know what we are going to do. I'm really confused. I wish my husband was still alive. Oh God, please help us.
Mommy,
Mike,
stop crying.
Mike.
Yes, mommy.
I have thought about many things. But my head feels like bursting. Life have given me so many reasons. But we have to prove it. But we are not going to give up. Okay? I have seen so many people in such a situation like us, but they not given up. So I'm not going to give up. And you're my son, and I have to take care of you.
Hey, Sona, welcome back.
Thank you, sis. Thank you, sis. Since I was coming back and I saw Mike at their place, I was so stressed. Stressed? Eh?
Oh, my beautiful wife.
Don't call me your wife. I'm not your wife. My name is Tracy.
Tracy. What a beautiful name. Well done.
Thank you.
So you're here. How far with our problems?
But why do you do all this to me? Don't you see the situation of me and my son?
That's the reason why I'm here. To solve that reason you're talking about.
My husband has just died. Now you want me to become your wife. In fact, you are just forcing me to be your wife. Do you think it's fair?
Tracy, stop complaining. Stop complaining. I'm here. I'm available.
We came to you for help. Instead of helping us, you are just taking advantage for us.
You're crying? Please stop crying, my dear. Don't cry. No. No. It's okay. I'm here for you. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry, please. Please don't cry. I'm here. Stop crying. Stop crying. I'm here, please. No, it's okay. 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 Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay.
Gordon?
My name?
Why do you force me to love you? I don't love you. I'm so sorry.
Mommy! 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 Mommy!
You totally refused to do what I said in peace. So,
Yeye anaenda wapi?
you don't love me. So, if you decided to choose that, oh God. Okay? So, let me change it.
Uncle!
Uncle Gordon was the only relative we had, but we decided to leave his place because he turned out to be our enemy. I know this world is so big. We shall find a new place to live and start a new beginning.